Howdy folks, and welcome to a field. More specifically, a field in Fleckney, which is a little village just outside Leicester. It took us about sort of half an hour on the bus this morning, about that. But the plan today is not to explore Fleckney, no, it's to go back to Leicester. Now, rather than sort of challenging ourselves, how can we get back, what's the cheapest way? Well, the cheapest way sort of coincides with what we're doing. We're going to walk back. Now, what we're going to do is we're going to walk along the Grand Union Canal, which runs from Fleckney, just behind us in these trees, all the way back up to Leicester. So it should take us a couple of hours, 4 or 5 hours.
Yeah, 4 to 5 is my guess, because it's 13 miles.
So
we can run that in about 2.5. So
we're not running today.
We're not running it. We're walking it. So it's going to take us longer than that for sure.
It's going to take us longer, 4 or 5 hours. Should be pretty good. Earn ourselves a pub lunch. Great way to spend a Saturday morning.
Absolutely.
Let's keep going. It's a bit treacherous and we've not even started. Ooh. There we go.
You doing good, sir?
Thanking you. And there we go.
Now what's the first rule?
Don't fall in the water.
Don't fall in the water.
With this mud I can't promise you anything. Hopefully it's not like this the entire way.
It better not be, because if it is, I'm going to have a word with the canal service.
Yeah?
Pave the walkway.
You heard it here first. Complaints to the canal service. Is this one filling up or is it emptying? I would suggest filling up. Do you know how to work a lock?
No. Do you?
No. Maybe we can find out over there. This is Kibworth top lock number 18 apparently. Does this say how to?
No.
No, it doesn't. Well, if we were on a narrowboat, our holiday would be cut very short because we'd get to this and we wouldn't be able to go any further. The first lock.
Yeah. I'm pretty sure it's something to do with which one's...
This one's lower.
Like, that one's actually level, so you open the level one first, go in, close it, open the other side so it levels. I think. I don't know.
The great people of YouTube are laughing at us in our ineptitude right now. How does a lock work? We don't know.
How often do you have the ability to go on a canal boat?
Never.
Yeah, never, exactly.
True.
So we don't need to know how it works, we just need to know that it does work.
It does work.
Trust the process.
Trust the process. Mysterious building. It's probably not that mysterious, but it's the first one we've seen. Let's get closer and have a look.
It's locked.
Oh, it is locked. Oh, but it goes off like a little side branch, look. Come round the side. Check that out. How good do we reckon sheep are at fishing?
Very good. Look, he's
Okay.
eating the fish that he's just caught.
Is it fish?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay.
Or just tasty water.
Tasty water. I reckon it's tasty water. God knows what's in there. Ooh.
To be fair, it's probably quite clean. It's just a bit discoloured from the clay.
Well, I'm not going to risk it.
No, I'm not risking it. Not at all.
The sheep could risk it for us. There was a cool heron, which is now over on that bank somewhere.
Oh, that's the top
That's
over there.
Oh, sheep facts. Sheep
But
facts occurring.
He's already had that one because he's got a blue bum.
Oh, yeah. Good work, lad. Not knowing much about sheep, I'm going to move on. You're the sheep expert, though.
Not that much of an expert.
Yeah, sure.
I see sheep once a year.
Once a year, many sheep. That counts as an expert in my eyes.
No.
Yes. Bye, sheeps. Oh, it's all gone wrong. It turns out that board is not as stable as it looks.
Look at the back of your legs.
Is it? Oh,
Yeah.
God, it is. Never mind. I took a step onto it thinking it will be, you know, it's there for a reason. And that reason is so you can cross safely. Nope. Absolute betrayal. Can't believe it. At least this bit's dry. I don't know if this is a myth or not, but my understanding is that these like cutouts are from where the horses used to pull the barges, and the rope would rub along the arch. There's not one on that side. I don't know if that's a myth or fact. Maybe someone in the comments could let me know. Something I've seen before, but I can't really remember where. Kind of cool to find out. As we're walking along this little section of the canal here, if we look across, that is St Wiston's Church, and we know for a fact that just over the hill on that side is Wistow Maze, which is something that we do every year.
We do,
and we'll head back again this year when they've grown out the maze, because I don't think they've even started digging it up yet.
No, I don't think they've planted it yet.
But what we have got this time, which we've never had before, is this little strap, which is attached to a bag, and in the bag is a drone. It's brand new for us, so we're going to send the drone up and get a closer look. How about that, guys? A little bit of drone footage, as I try not to fall over on the mud here. Something a little bit different for us, hoping to sort of incorporate that more in the future. So let us know what your thoughts are, if you enjoyed it, if you didn't enjoy it. I enjoyed flying it, that much I can tell you. It was great fun. Bit of on-the-go refreshment.
Well,
Reese's, we've got Kit Kat.
Kit Kat with peanut butter.
Lovely. just as we've started coming back into Leicester now. That was the navigation in that we've just been past, which sort of denotes sort of Wigston, OB.
Yeah,
pretty sure it's Wigston. Anyway, regardless, we're now on the sort of the outskirts of Leicester. Things have taken an interesting turn, as now we've actually got some nice, not quite tarmac, but like nice paved bit of path.
Except it does end pretty soon.
I mean, it does end pretty soon. Alas, we're enjoying it for the second. It's very nice. Makes a change from the mud. Never seen these before. Got Little John and Will Stutley, the little like tugboats, but for the barges. Something a little bit different. We both like a little bit of sushi, but I'm not sure we'd want to eat it from anything that's been caught in this canal. No. Can't guarantee its freshness.
It looks like an interesting place to go though.
Looks like a cool place to hang out though. Look at that. Who knows, they might end up having the best sushi in town. Wait, can you just pull up on your boat and just get from the taps?
Look how sunken that boat is.
Alright, and on a different boat.
But you could.
Oh,
I don't see any steps though.
Also, the house behind has a huge telescope.
It does.
What the hell? What is this part of Leicester? We've never been to this bit before.
No, we haven't.
It's quite an experience.
This is new and interesting.
This is cool as hell though. Might come back here. Not too far from the end now. Got like a couple of bridges left. This is Weiss's Bridge, number 93. There we have it, guys. As we approach the second to last bridge, that is going to be the end of this video. We've got one little stretch to go before we go back onto the main road and then walk through Leicester, which is not going to be very interesting for everybody, so we're going to end the video early. We hope you enjoyed coming with us today. We've thoroughly enjoyed ourselves. It's been lovely and relaxing, hasn't it?
We have. Sun's been out.
Sun has been out.
It's been a really enjoyable experience.
So absolutely perfect way to spend a Saturday morning. If you enjoyed, let us know. What did you think of the drone footage as well? A little aspect that's new for us, something we're going to explore in the future. Take care, guys. We'll see you very, very soon. Bye.